Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a typewriter dialog system in Scratch. So let's get started. So what you're going to make is something like this. But I'm not going to make you do it by yourself obviously. This is a tutorial, right? So let's start. So first get to my blocks and make a new block. In the block name, write say and add an input. Type text in here. This is just so it's easier for us to use later. And then don't tick run without screen refresh because it won't work. So let me delete the other sprite. So we can use the green flag. So we could do when the green flag clicked, say. Let's do say hello. But hang on, why won't it work? Because there's nothing in the say. So what we can do is we need to actually make a few variables. So I and text. These two variables are going to be quite helpful. So we can set I to 0 and we can also set text to 0. But actually text has to be nothing because if it's 0, it's going to start with a 0, which won't look good. So we could do repeat length of text, not this variable text, the red text. Maybe I should zoom in. So if a code looks like this, great. So change I by 1, then set text to letter I of the red text. Now we can say the text variable and then we can do a little sound. So if you do pop, do play sound pop until done. If you want to do meow, start instead of play until done. But I'm going to do pop in this video. So this is what it should look like. But hang on, why is it not working? It's because we need a little drawing right here. Then we'll just add a text right here. Look, it's working. Why does it just run and then just as if it just does it really fast and then you can't read it, so it's just going to go to the next blocks. So what you can do is wait 0.5 seconds and then say nothing. Now it's just like the project, probably my animation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!